Welcome back, everyone. It has been another windy day today, especially in central and western portions of north central Montana, where sustained wind speeds have been between 15 and 35 miles per hour for a lot of today. In the Helena area, as well as in northeastern Montana, it's been a breezy day today with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour. As we go through this evening, that wind is going to diminish. And then overnight tonight, for a lot of us, the wind won't be much of an issue. Just a bit breezy with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 20 miles per hour. But along the Rocky Mountain front, as well as in central Montana, including the Little Belts and between Great Falls and Helena, the wind is actually going to increase later on tonight, so gusty winds are expected during the second half of tonight. And then for tomorrow, along the High Line as well as in central portions of north central Montana, it will be a breezy day with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour, and wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour will be possible at times. And then in southern portions of north central Montana as well as in central Montana, including in Fergus County, Judith Basin County, Cascade County, and around the Helena area, it's going to be another windy day tomorrow. Sustained wind speeds between 15 and 35 miles per hour, and a few locations may see wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour at times. That wind is going to be coming out of the west or the northwest in most spots. The wind will diminish as we head into tomorrow night, but it will continue to be a bit breezy. And then the wind will be weaker on Sunday than it will be during the day tomorrow, but it is going to be another breezy day with sustained wind speeds between 10 and 25 miles per hour. A high wind watch is in effect for the Helena area, the Bozeman area, as well as all of Fergus County and portions of Judith Basin County from 6 a.m. until 3 p.m. tomorrow as gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. There's a high wind warning in effect for the Judith Gap area as well as the Big Timber area from 3 a.m. until 6 p.m. tomorrow as gusts up to 60 miles per hour also possible in that area. On the Great Falls Clinic ICAM, we have had partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day today. In Helena, on the Opportunity Bank of Montana weather camera, we've also had partly to mostly cloudy skies throughout the day. There have been a few rain and snow showers east of the Continental Divide, but most locations have been dry. However, there is a good amount of moisture off to our west, and that's associated with the next disturbance that is going to be working its way through Montana as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, bringing scattered precipitation to the lower elevations and heavy snow to the higher elevations in western Montana. As we go through tonight, there will be scattered rain, graupel, and snow showers around generally during the second half of the night, and heavy snow is expected tonight along the Continental Divide as well as in the mountains in western Montana. Then as we go through tomorrow, it's not going to be wet for the entire day. A lot of the day will be dry, but there will be scattered snow, graupel, and rain showers around throughout the day. We are going to have mostly to partly cloudy skies tomorrow as well, and we'll continue to have heavy snow around in the mountains. As we head into tomorrow night, that precipitation will taper off and the skies will clear out, and then it will be drier as we head into Sunday. Winter weather alerts are in effect for some areas. The Little Belts and the High Woods have a winter weather advisory in effect. Then the Rocky Mountain Front and Glacier National Park are also under a winter weather advisory. For the Rocky Mountain Front and Glacier National Park, 6 to 10 plus inches of snow is expected through tomorrow night. And then for the Little Belts and High Woods, 2 to 8 inches of snow accumulation is expected. Most of the snow with this system, at least in terms of accumulation, will be in the mountains. But in the lower elevations, a coating to an inch or two of accumulation is possible, although a lot of us will receive little to no snow accumulation. Tonight, low temperatures are going to be in the 30s in a lot of locations, so it is going to be a cool night. And then for tomorrow, it's going to be the coolest day of the next week. High temperatures are going to be in the 40s and the mid to upper 30s in most locations.